one right there.
Oh my God.
Good.
That was so hard. Okay, so.
Where are you feeling it?
Head to toe.
Head to toe?
I'm having migraines and vertigo. This is really tight all the way through here.
Left
and I can
side.
feel it back here too. Like I try to use my massage gun back here. It's just so sore.
Yeah, it's kind of going all the way out throughout
Yeah.
that left side.
Yeah. And then my tailbone, I have had enormous amounts of pain in my tailbone and my left hip, but
Well, it's not moving.
yeah, I haven't been in for a little while. I need to get in more often, so.
Headaches, migraines. Yeah.
And vertigo.
Vertigo?
Yeah, vertigo
Knees.
pretty bad.
How are the knees?
Pretty good. Yeah, I know. I know, pretty
Cool.
good. But I
like that.
I could use, a leg pull. That would.
Yep.
I mean, obviously, it'd probably help my hip and stuff.
can do that.
But yeah.
Might as well adjust the knees and make sure those continue to move.
Yes.
Anything
Not
else?
surprised about the hips. No, it's the migraines and the vertigo, and then this thing. I keep trying to loosen it up and make sure I do both sides because you say if you're going to do one side, do the other.
Yeah,
and-
table. Yep. Cool. All right. Start right there. Feeling that one?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that last one was tight.
That would kind of be right in that region right there. Let's come right here. Do some shoulder work.
Oh, that feels good.
Good.
Oh my gosh.
Good. Hang in there. Give me one more right here. Good. Very nice.
Oh, that one I felt. Oh gosh.
Good. Good. Those ones are tough.
It's making everything tingly around it too.
Hang in there.
Good blood flow, I guess.
Anything shooting down?
No. Mm-mm.
Okay. More so just like in this area?
Yes, right there.
Centralized? Okay. Do a little drop on this one too. Good. All right. Ready for this one? Deep breath in. Good.
Gosh.
Very nice.
Yeah, it just feels like.
In the front there.
Yeah.
So let's come right here first. Good. Awesome. Right. There we go. Awesome. That's what we wanted.
Oh, I've been waiting for those. Yeah, this one I had a lot of problems with, but it's
Good.
been okay.
Just a little restricted, but not bad at all.
Not as bad as it used to be.
Yeah, exactly. Right. Good.
Wow. I remember when those used to hurt so bad.
Yeah.
It didn't hurt at all. That's
Not
awesome.
anymore. Good.
Nope. Gotta remember to relax.
Head back. Good. Just a little one right there.
Oh my gosh.
Good.
That was so hard. Oh my gosh.
Hang in there.
It pinched really hard back here.
The good news is we still got that right side to do.
Yes. No, it's okay. I mean, I dread it, but I know I'm gonna feel better. So
Feels better afterwards.
yeah. Oh, 100%.
Plus, that, like you said, it has been a little while.
Yeah, I definitely need to come in here on a monthly basis. That's for sure.
All right, right where you felt that pinch, that's where we're going. There we go. There we go. We're all done.
Yep. The tailbone isn't hurting right now.
Okay.
And this feels so much looser.
Left side's feeling better. A little more motion, not as tight.
Oh, so much more motion. Gosh, my range of motion was terrible when I got here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can definitely.
Since it has been a little while, ice is
Yeah.
going to be your friend, for any pain.
Now, the ice, I mean, obviously, I try to put it on my tailbone, which is hard to sit on an ice pack, but for up here, do I need to do this side, the back, all of it?
More like centralizing the neck, but if you're feeling pain into the shoulder, you can kind of drape it over that trap
Okay.
on the left side.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah,
Yeah, no, I feel a lot better.
good stuff. All right.
Thank you.
Awesome.